Marking the completion of 4 years of BJP-led governance in Manipur, District Administration Imphal West, Mahut IMC, Social Welfare, Directorate of Environment and Climate Change and Manipur Pollution Control Board jointly carried out a cleanliness program on Cleanliness Drive, banned on single-use plastic in and around Khairambanj Market in Imphal West. District Administration Imphal East also kicked off 6th day today at Sanjenthong, Imphal East. Speaking at the event, Imphal East Deputy Commissioner K.H. Daina said the Cleanliness Drive was organized as a part of celebration for completion of 4 years of BJP-led government in Manipur. Daina added, through Cleanliness Drive aims at banning the use of single-use plastic carry bags in business areas of the city. The government of Manipur has announced a reward of Rs 15 lakh along with Chief Minister commendation to Thoubal police team for busting 2 heroin brown sugar manufacturing units at Lilong, Nungai Khunau, Mamang Lekai. Notably, Thoubal police team busted the 2 heroin brown sugar manufacturing units on 7th of this month. During the raid, the team seized refined heroin brown sugar powder weighing 565 grams, 1,104.98 kilograms of heroin brown sugar, 5 kg opium, 131 liters of morphinated liquid and other items, along with a sum of rupees 61,400 and some vehicles used in transporting contraband items. Thoubal police also arrested 3 individuals who were operating the manufacturing units. Department of Biotechnology, Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD organized a one-day national seminar on managing bioresources of Northeast region for an Atmanirbhar Bharat at the IBSD premises located at Takyat Pat, Imphal. Students of IBSD, research scholars, scientists and resource persons were present at the seminar. Resource persons and scientists from outside the state also took part at the seminar via webinar. As a part of Emerging Manipur, Luang Sambam Gram Panchayat also organized the Cleanliness Drive today in and around Luang Sambam under Hengang Community Block Development. Luang Sambam Gram Panchayat Pradhan Ace Angau and its members took part in the Cleanliness Drive. Under the aegis of District Administration Thoubal, Thoubal Municipal Council TMC, Thoubal Police NYK, Women Vendors and Self-Help Group working along with TMC organized Rally Come Cleanliness Drive in and around Thoubal Market. Our correspondent reports the drive was held under the theme Say No to Plastic. In connection to this, TMC Executive Office Hawaibam Pradeep Kumar has appealed all in making Thoubal District and Manipur plastic-free zones. 3-day free health camp organized by SEAMS Helping Group Manipur and 29 Assam Rifles under the sponsorship of Ruchida Sharma concluded today at Satudai village of Tamenglong district. 38 staff including doctors, nurses and paramedical staff took part in the free health camp. Around 570 people were treated at the medical camp. 6 people died and 13 others were injured when a bus fell into a Georgie in Champa in Himachal Pradesh today. According to media reports, the bus was coming to Chamba from Mangli in Tisa, a remote area of Chamba district, which is prone to accidents. A media report said last year, in November, 3 people were killed after a car they were traveling in skidded off the road and plunged into a Georgie in Chamba district. The accident took place on Chamba Khaza Road, with police saying that the driver lost control while negotiating a curb. In New York, the UN Security Council failed to agree on a statement that would have condemned the coup in Myanmar, called for restraint by the military and threatened to consider further measures. Reuters informed talks on the statement would likely continue, diplomats said, after China, Russia, India and Vietnam all suggested amendments let last right to a British draft, including removal of the reference to a coup and the threat to consider further action. The railway staff in Yangon are part of a civil disobedience movement that has crippled government business and included strikes at banks, factories and shops since the army ousted Aung San Suu Kyi's elected government in a coup on February 1 coup. Humanity Plus Fitness Center today felicitated Khetrimayum Vaktakumar Maitei at Uripok Achomlekai, Imphal. Khetrimayum Vaktakumar is the brand ambassador of Swaz Bharat Abhiyan and a 10-time winner of Mar India title. He has been accorded with the Pride of the Nation award. He is also the convener of the state-level committee for the Chief Minister, Indigenous Martial Arts, Manipur.